Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. So, today I'm coming to you with a nice and easy tutorial on how to make a custom multimedia slider in Webflow. And the unique thing about the slider is that it will be powered by the Webflow CMS. Well, the content will be. So, the first thing is you want to set up your collection here, and I've already set up mine. I'll take you into the settings, and the field that you want to set up are the image field and the video link field. All right, so once you have that set up, you're going to set up your items, and your items will be the either the image or the video. You don't want to upload both the onto the item. You just want one of them. The name and other things don't matter unless you you know uh, want to display that data as well. So let's get this slider set up. Now, the nice folks at UiFlow have already built out the basic slick slider powered by the CMS. Sorry that words are escaping me today. So we're going to copy that and paste it into our own project. Now, there is some custom code that you can copy and paste from that project as well. And this is basically like all the CSS for the slick slider. As you can see here. And then there's also some configuration items. The CMS slider is basically, and you'll pay, and please note this, is if you go to like create something custom on your own, is that this is the class that the JavaScript will be looking for your slider. And so there's many configuration options such as like center mode. You can have like dots and infinite slides, and the arrows, and then the speed at which the slides change. Then there's slides to show and scroll. So you can play around with these settings, and then also have some responsive settings there as well. And then you can also set up your previous and next buttons, which they're already set up for us. Like I said, I took this from the nice folks at UiFlow. They had a clonable out. So now let's get to actually putting in the things that we need to make this work. So I'm going to go into our navigator. Click on the collection list. Set the source as media. That's the name of my collection. Then I'm going to click into the collection item. Then I'm going to add an element. Choose an image. Go back, add another element, and I'll choose the video element. So only thing we have to do really here is, connect the fields as you normally would in Webflow. And then, of course, again, set up the video. And then what I want to do for my collection item, and I'll say, instead so we don't get confused. And what I'm going to do is set the width to 100% divided by 3. Which is, 33.33%. So this is just so things, show a bit nicer here in the, uh, when we go to publish. Sorry. All right. Overflow. I set that to hidden. Otherwise, you would have this thing where it's going to show more than those 3 items that we originally wanted to display. So that's it for the basic setup. Let's publish here to see what we have so far. And there you go. We have our video, our image, and then of course we got into the end of our list. So there we go. So you see we have a functioning slider. So to add a little more functionality to this, we can even do something like this. Hold on. Command E. And I will select the lightbox item and I'll delete the image. Now we can set up our image and our video in a lightbox, but I'm just going to do the image for now. So what we'll do is we'll get the image, of course, from that image field. And then in the lightbox settings, we will take the media, get the media, and then we'll get the image. There we go, and I'll go ahead and I'll publish once again. All right, and you'll see when I click on any of our items, we get that nice light box popping up there. And so that is it for our tutorial. I hope you were able to follow along well. And if you have any questions, please you can reach out to me on Twitter and the Webflow forums. I'll leave links in the description, and I will also make this clonable available so everyone can go ahead and just copy what I've done and customize it to your liking. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.